Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to start selling on PayHip or how to start selling your digital products on PayHip. So first, let's create an account. Actually, this is the only way for you to be able to sell here is through account creation. Now, once the account is created, there will be a lot of verifications here. But once the account is verified, click on create account. Once the store is created, just enter store name here. So let's enter something here. Name the store. Then let's go with this username. And then here you can already see some of the things that you need to get your product started. So once you have all of these listed, so add your first product, set up checkout. And then once you have customized your store design, then you'd be good to go. So just go here, products, click on add product, whether it's a digital, a course, a membership, or a physical product. You can also sell physical products here or coaching service. And then afterwards, so let's say course items, just add the course style here. Let's say Mandarin, basic, Mandarin language course. To add the course right there. Then from there, you can create sections for sections, add new lessons and such. And yeah, then you can go to your store here. You can add blog posts. You can add your domains. If you have an existing domain, you can connect it here. And then you can also find here on the upper screen, you can find analytics for daily views, daily sales, your total sales, your customers, and total orders and total views as well. And then, of course, you have your marketing, customers, and chat guide as well. So you can start a 3-minute guide to see how to set up your PayHip account. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.